What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to TJtv. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like down below. Let's go. Alright, well, if y'all can see the title and kind of right here, I did get a retwist on my dreads. I did get that retwist on my dreads. Okay, so before I get into my retwist and telling y'all about it, let me just point out, getting a retwist, depending on who does it, can hurt. Only part that hurts is them pulling your hair. That's it. Bro, they be pulling it hard, bro. Too hard. Too hard. Like, too hard. This is the retwist. You know what I'm saying? Got a little bit more length on it now. Now, I don't know if y'all can already tell, because it's quite obvious, but this side is way longer than this side, if y'all can't tell. I mean, it's so obvious, like you can just point that out. I'm looking into the mirror, if y'all know. If I'm looking into the mirror and just one glance, you can look, you can just see and tell. Because for one, all these are at my sideburns, all these are still pretty much at like the top of my head. It don't make sense, right? So I don't know how, when I twisted it, I don't know how this side got longer than this side, or it's how the lady retwisted. Other than that, I really don't see any problems with this retwist. I actually do kind of like it, you know, original kind of thing. And the reason why I still got this hair, even though it's uneven and everything, usually I would have cut my hair or like evened it out. But the reason why I didn't do none of that yet is because it's the fact that I started my dreads, you feel me? I put it in 2-strand twist and I let them just grow. That's really, for the people that really keep asking, I put it in 2-strand twist and I just let it grow. That's it. I didn't touch it. That's it. And I didn't wash it. That's it. Just let your hair grow over the hairs. But the reason why I didn't cut it is because I started originality, you feel me? So yeah, so that's just the reason why I ain't like trying to fix that situation yet. You know what I'm saying? But your boy do got some help. You feel me? I'll do a little 360. Alright, so that's my hair in the back. Don't judge my hair right now. Just wait till like the new growth starts coming in. You feel me? Because when the new growth starts coming in, it's gonna look even better. I promise you. Than what it is right now. And if the back looks messed up, looks like just messed up, hair sticking up everywhere, or whatever the case, I don't know. I can't see the back of my head. I'm sorry that I just showed y'all that disgusting shit. But I hope y'all like this video. There's not really much to this video. I just want to show y'all that I did get a retwist. And yes, I did forget to record it again. This is my second retwist if y'all didn't know. But I just want to come on this camera and show y'all that I did get a retwist and get y'all's opinion about it. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all don't want to keep seeing hair videos, post in the comments what y'all want to see. Mukbangs, pranks, vlogs, it don't matter. Just put them in the comments. Because if y'all tired of seeing hair videos all the time, post something in the comments so I can do something else different. You feel me? Hey, teamwork make the dream work. I do my part, you do your part. That's how we do it. That's how we're going to succeed in life. Anyway, this is my retweet. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like in the comments. I said leave a like in the comments. Leave a like in a comment down below. Like this video just because y'all love me and the fact that y'all subscribe to me knows that y'all still love me. So leave a like down below on this video too if y'all liked it. So I know what to keep posting because that's what y'all like. You feel me? Also, drop a comment down below on stuff y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? I'm posting when I get the time. So if y'all post a lot of suggestions down there, I'm posting. But if y'all post like from one person comments down there, the comments, whatever, I'm gonna get to it, but whenever I have time. But if there's like a lot of comments down there and a lot of suggestions, I'm gonna be on it. I'm gonna be on it because that's my main objective. You feel me? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been TJtv, and I'm out. Y'all already know what to do at this point. Hit that subscribe button. Never miss another video. Be a part of TJ Squad and be connected all around. Thank you.